Hello! Okay, let's continue the introduction to anticipation. Today, you will decode number 2. There will be 3 in total. After that, we move up to the next level. Just a reminder, to anticipate means to see the notes in advance. Not note by note, but in groups of notes. While you're playing, your eyes are already looking at the next group of notes. So before sight reading, let's do a quick analysis. Do the hands play together? No. The hands play one after the other. First the right hand, then the left hand. It's quite simple. This time you will find the 3 clues: the rhythm, the direction of the notes, and the intervals. The rhythm. What rhythm is repeated? So we have 2 rhythms, whole notes and half notes. Actually, we have as many whole notes as half notes. Now the direction of the notes, when they go up or down. Which way do they go? Pause if you want to find the answer before I tell you. Here, it goes down and up. Here, it goes up, then down. Here it goes up and down. Now the intervals, that's the distance between the notes. What do you notice? Well, actually, we only have seconds, notes that follow each other step by step. I don't know if you notice, but it's almost a round trip. We start from So, go down to Ré, and go back up. It's just missing So, but actually there's a round trip. If I remove the first note and we start on Fa, Fa, Mi, Ré, Mi, Fa, it's a round trip. So I'll remove that so we clearly see it's a round trip. Next, what do we have? More seconds, stepwise. And do you notice something? We start on Mi, we land back on Mi. What is that? Another round trip. Here, stepwise notes again, so seconds. And then we have a third. That's a skip. I call that a corridor, moving from one to another. The proper term is a skip, from space to space. We haven't connected this note and that note yet, Mi and Ré. Maybe you notice something? Same, it's stepwise. 2 notes that follow each other. And if you look closely, Mi, Ré, Mi. What is that? Another round trip. So to make it clearer, I'll connect them so we see they're all stepwise notes. And at the end, we clearly see it's not stepwise. So if you look carefully, we have 3 round trips. Okay? This one, and this one. Is that clear for you or not? Here, we're circling around Mi. Throughout the whole piece, we only have seconds, except for the last note, which is the third. Alright, let's go. You'll play the piece twice. Once where I cover as we go, and once where I cover much more. Quick reminder, a whole note is held for 4 beats, and a half note for 2 beats. To see ahead, look in groups of 3 notes, and for the first beat of each bar. Right hand, put your 5th finger on So, and your left hand, 3rd finger on Mi. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the next 3 notes and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. See the next 3 notes. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that you've seen it, really aim for the first beat of each measure. Scan with your eyes. Now I will hide more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the next 3 notes. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the next 3 notes.
Les 3 notes suivantes.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yes, it forces you to memorize what you just read. That's really important. When you know how to anticipate, you play smoothly. You connect the notes without hesitation. It also helps you keep the rhythm. That's all for today. See you!